Hello. Today, we will learn about the phrase be queuing up to do something. It means many people are waiting or eager to do something. Imagine a line of people waiting to buy tickets. They are queuing up to buy tickets. This phrase is common in English conversations. It shows both waiting and eagerness. The structure is simple. Be queuing up to a verb. For example, they are queuing up to enter the concert. You cannot separate queuing up. Always say queuing up to do something. People use it for events, jobs, or new products. For example, fans are queuing up to get autographs. Be careful not to say queue up doing. That is incorrect. Remember, use the base form of the verb after to. Practice with sentences like, students are queuing up to submit applications. This phrase helps you sound natural in English. Try to use it in your daily conversations. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing. See you next time.